Hel- Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make Twitter post on Canva account or the how to make a perfect Twitter post Canva account. So first of all, open your Chrome browser, then go to the canva.com. If you don't have a Gmail account, first of all make your Gmail account and then go to the canva.com and sign in with the Gmail account. Then Canva automatically make your account on your Gmail account. Okay, then first of all, if you make any design, uh, just click on create a design. So our click on design, click on search bar, and then we write Twitter post. Okay, just write Twitter post. So the Canva showing us Twitter post, new Twitter post, for pro chance Twitter post, quiet Twitter post, food Twitter post, fundraising Twitter post, Earth Day Twitter post, Black Friday Twitter post, birthday Twitter post, feast Twitter post. So we're gonna click on just Twitter post. Okay, the new tab will open. The new tab will open. So we're gonna make a digital marketing on online web web designing. So we're gonna change this theme into first of all click on the colors and adjust the color into blue and put it like here, like dark blue. Okay, now we're gonna change the color into white, so we're gonna see what is going on. We're gonna change the color into yellow. Like this. Now we're gonna change the theme into the yellow color. Okay, creative marketing digital. So creative, we're gonna edit like this. We're gonna change this one, digital marketing, and we're gonna change this one into online classes. Online classes. So we're gonna change the monitor name. Simply change the color into yellow and change the color into this into black. Okay, now we're gonna change this sentences into white. We're gonna put it like here and change this one because this is showing something irrelevant. Okay, and then now change the color into black change the color into yellow. Okay, now we're gonna bring it like here, like this again, like this. Okay, and put it like here. So we're gonna adjust the monitor name. So our monitor name is faces Adams, and this is how we made our Twitter post. So we're gonna make a theme of like this. We're gonna select one more post, and now we're gonna change into our theme colors. So just simply click on the colors and change the theme. We're gonna make it like this. Change all the colors into the theme to look it beautiful. Change the orange color into blue. Okay, we're gonna make some adjustments to make it beautiful. So we're gonna copy this and paste it over here. Okay, and copy this one to paste it over here. The little mistake will our show like this orange color, and change the so this is how you can make a theme. If you just simply change the background into blue color, everything is messed up. So we're gonna press Ctrl Z and it will be undo. Hope you like this video. Make sure like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.